Monsieur Tavares, la parole est à Monsieur Murphy pour une minute.
Thank you, President. Bulgaria is yet another country to join the worldwide struggle against poverty and against corruption. One of the participants in the protests commented accurately, "We are all linked together, Bulgaria, Turkey and Brazil. We are fighting for different reasons, but we all want our governments to finally work for us. We are inspiring each other." The protests are an expression of huge popular anger against all of the establishment parties. It is quite hypocritical now for these parties to blame one another for the political stalemate in order to gain politically from the misery and poverty of the people which they are responsible for creating. Bulgaria is the poorest country in the European Union, an average income of less than €400 per month, state pensions below €100 per month. The EU, with its pro-privatisation, liberalisation agenda, is complicit in this impoverishment. The key to resolving the economic and social situation, as well as achieving real democracy, lies with the working class, poor and young people in Bulgaria. It is vital to build democratic and fighting trade unions, as well as genuinely socialist parties, to organise the movement and struggle for radical socialist change. Thank you.
Merci, Monsieur Murphy. Monsieur Binev pour une minute.
Хората в момента са на улицата, защото имат тази свобода. В последните 4 години бяха арестувани само ако кажат нещо против управляващите. Защо Европа чак сега обръща внимание на България, а пренебрегваше предишните многобройни сигнали за диктатура, цензура и мизерия?